Hi, and welcome back to the Thrive Alive Academy channel. How are we doing today? Come on in, sit down, take a load off your feet, sit back and relax, and let me share with you another wonderful tip to get to full health and thriving. And remember, my aim of this channel is to always let you know about toxins in your home that you could be inadvertently purchasing and using. And this channel is to make sure that you no longer have toxins of any kind in your home, in your office, on your body, or anything like that. So one of the other things I have discovered is paper towels and how bad they are for you. One wonders that we use them so often. I wonder where they all land up in the world. They must be inundated with the landfills, because paper towels firstly don't biodegrade. They just don't disappear and disintegrate, and they're not recycled. If they would be able to recycle them and reuse them, but they don't do that. They just put them in the landfills and let them stay there and rot. And they won't do that properly because they've all been tampered with. They come with fragrance again, which we all know is one word for over 100 toxic chemicals. They come with bleach and chlorine and chloride, and they coat them with antibacterial sprays, which are all carcinogenic, endocrine disruptors, skin irritants, asthmatic, eye irritants, neurotoxicity. They affect your brain, your body, your organs, just from paper towels, and we use them all the time. It's just, you know, I don't think I've been into a home in the last 10 years that doesn't have paper towels. And can you imagine the damage and toll it's taking not only on our bodies but on the environment? It gets into the soil, into the waterways. It's always, remember, everything we do has a knock-on effect. So it will affect ultimately the planet, the environment, the animals, the creatures, who are all innocent. They don't deserve to be inundated with our bad managing and our bad decision making, right? So I know a lot of us don't know all the products we're using in our homes are toxic. We think, no, that'll be good and that's fine and that's wise and it's not plastic, I'm using paper, at least I'm doing a good thing. But now you know better. It's not good, it's not healthy for you or anyone else, and especially the planet. So instead, I have a lovely solution for you. Ta-da! This little guy. And what this is a reusable, I haven't opened mine up yet, but it looks just like the paper towel, only a lot less, right? Usually paper towels are so much thicker, they come like that, and they're not really that absorbent. But you'll notice sometimes you do buy one because they say super absorbent. Well, what makes them super absorbent? They've just sprayed them with an array of chemicals which you are touching and ingesting. The mere thought shudders the mind. And so this is much healthier. This little guy will last you 6 months because it's reusable. Can you believe it? You just wipe it, use it, wipe it, use it, put it in, buy yourself a little stainless steel, not plastic please, dustbin, a stainless steel trash can. And once you've used one, and you can use it several times, very absorbent, you reuse. Once it's very soggy, you just put it in your little trash can, and then once a week go pop them in the wash, and it's reusable. And you can just bring it up again and reuse it again, pop it in the trash can, and then, or you can buy a little laundry basket, whichever you prefer, not plastic, and then go and pop them in the wash using obviously healthy laundry detergent please, and reuse them over and over again. And I'll tell you the benefits of it. First of all, it's organic. That's the magic word here for me. Organic is anything organic and certified. You've won me. I'll spend money on you. It's machine washable. It's stronger and more absorbent than your usual paper towels. It's obviously saving trees and saving money and saving the damage to all the trees and the amount of water that's needed. So that's being saved, which means a whole lot more animals can have more water, which is what they need. It's eco-friendly because this is used from bamboo, and bamboo is actually not a tree, it's a grass, and it grows a lot faster, and it doesn't need any pesticides. Unlike a tree, you have to spray it with so many pesticides, which we then absorb when we buy paper towels, and we're getting that as well, which is probably Monsanto, and we all know we don't want that. It's naturally antibacterial. Isn't that amazing? Because that's bamboo, that's the magic of bamboo. And each towel can be washed up to 100 times, each towel, and there's loads of towels in here. So it's just fabulous. It's an all-round, it's a natural resource, it's eco-friendly and sustainable. I mean, what more could you want? So it's absolutely fabulous. This one little guy is saving 100 paper towels. So by the time you've gone through 100 rounds of paper towels, this is this guy. Can you imagine if we all did that? How much we would be saving and helping this planet and ourselves and the health of everybody, the health of us, our bodies, our internal organs, our fertility, our babies, the planet. Just 100. This is saving 100. I'm going to repeat that. 100 paper towels. And they're massive. We used to have them in the home till we... So just remember that. I'll pop a link down below of where you can go buy some for yourself. Get them in your home. I'll also put a few links. I've actually just thought of this now. I'll put a link in there for you as well. A little healthy container to put it in the, maybe you just want a small one on the top of the kitchen counter that you could just throw in so it's separate to the normal dishcloths or your trash or something like that. I'll just put a nice little, it will be usually for a compost, but you know, just reuse it for this, because they're those nice tiny little stainless steel containers up for your countertop in your kitchen. Very user friendly, but you'll know why I've put it there, because dual purpose, right? So obviously don't put in your vegetables there. I'm just saying that would be a standalone for this guy. So so I hope you found that helpful. I thought this was wonderful. I'm so glad there was an alternative. So thank you for listening to me today, and I look forward to your feedback.